How to clone apps on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for the app that you want to add additional application in your home screen of. For instance, I will tap on the search bar and search for x.com in order to get the duplicate application of X. Now, tap on the share icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the add to home screen option you see there, and then tap on the add option on the top right of your screen. And with this, as you can see in my home screen, I now have two X applications, where one X application will lead me to the app version of X and the other X option will take me to the web version of X. So this was about how you can clone apps on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.